In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get voice chat here on Donut SMP. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually exit out of Minecraft and go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm actually using Google Chrome, but you could use really whatever you'd like. And essentially, what you're going to want to do is download Simple Voice Chat, because this is what everybody is using for proximity chat here in Donut SMP. So go to curseforge.com, hit enter, go to Minecraft specifically, hit browse all, and then from here, search for Simple Voice Chat. Go ahead and hit enter. And then select this first option right here, and this is going to be the Simple Voice Chat page. Essentially, go ahead and go to this Files tab, and then filter it by the latest game version of Minecraft, and then go to the Fabric mod loader, wait for the page to load, and then just select these three dots and hit Download File. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Wait about 5 seconds, and it should start downloading, and it should look something like that. From here, though, what we're going to need to do is get the Fabric loader. So go to fabricmc.net and then go ahead and hit download. From here, select download for Windows. And once it does download, find it on here, select it to open up the installer, and just make sure the Minecraft version is set to 1.21.11, hit create profile, and then hit install. From here, we're going to have to get one more thing, and in order to do this, you're going to want to go back to CurseForge, or just open up another web browser and search for Fabric API and hit enter. From here, simply go ahead and open up Fabric API, go to the Files tab, and once again, filter it to the same version of Minecraft that you're currently on, and then of course filter it to Fabric as well, and just download this and wait about 5 seconds for it to download. And once it does download, what you're going to want to do is close out of all of this and open up that Minecraft launcher. Select this little latest release option and you should see Fabric Loader in here. Go ahead and select that. Go into installations and then find that same Fabric Loader and open up the installations folder and scroll down to see this mods folder right here. If you don't see the mods folder, simply go ahead and right click on it and then simply hit new folder and then create mod folder. Just make sure that you name it the same thing as this and all lowercase. From here, you can open this up, and I actually already have the voice chat mod installed, but essentially what you're going to want to do is open up a separate file explorer page, go to downloads, and then find that voice chat option, throw that in here, and then find that Fabric API folder and throw it in here as well. Once that's in here, you can close out of both of these files and any web browsers that you might have still have opened, and then go to the play section, and what you're going to want to do is load specifically in to Minecraft using this Fabric loader right here. Hit play, join the Donut SMP, and don't worry, you won't get banned for this, and you just have to press V on your keyboard to open up that voice chat setup. I recommend following the setup guide, but then from here, you just got to hit V to open up that here, to open up your simple voice chat menu again, and from here you can adjust volumes, unmute your microphone, and customize your voice settings. That is it. You now have voice chat working here on Donut SMP. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.